Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify topic clusters with topic research by Semrush, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using topic research by Semrush, first, navigate to the Semrush website. Log into your Semrush account. On the dashboard, locate the Content Marketing section in the main menu. Click on Topic Research. In the Topic Research tool, enter a seed keyword relevant to your content. Next, choose the appropriate location and language settings. Click the search button to generate topic ideas. Once the results load, review the Overview tab for a summary of popular topics. Scroll down to the Topic Ideas section to see a list of related concepts. Pay attention to the search volume and CPC data provided for each idea. Select a topic that aligns well with your content strategy. After choosing a topic, click on it to dive deeper into subtopics. Explore the Subtopics tab to identify additional relevant ideas. Make notes of the common themes that emerge from the subtopics. Next, check the Headline Ideas section for potential titles related to your topic. Analyze the headlines to understand what has resonated with audiences. Look at the Questions tab to find queries users are asking about the topic. Incorporate these questions into your content for better engagement. Take note of the Recent Articles section for examples of current writing on the topic. Evaluate which articles rank well and why. Return to the Topic Ideas section to adjust your topic based on the insights gathered. Compile your findings into a document for easy reference. Use this information to help craft a content plan that includes keyword opportunities. Finally, ensure that you validate your findings with additional research if necessary. This process will help you create a comprehensive topic cluster tailored to your audience's interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.